All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the SUI community. Appreciate you guys as always for showing tremendous amount of love on these updates. Continue supporting, and you guys know you will see a continuation of these updates. But let's really take a look at what's happening with SUI as of recording this update. As we know, we are approaching Tuesday, and by the time you guys are watching this update, it's already going to be Tuesday. So of course, as you guys know, we do have the U.S. elections taking place today, and the market has been reacting pretty much exactly how we have projected. Seen a little bit of a bounce in Bitcoin over the course of the last few hours, but let's see what happens. As far as the broader market is concerned, though, you guys are seeing tremendous amount of red across the board, about 6 to 7 to even up to 13-14%. You are seeing retracements within some of these altcoins right now, and that tells you everything you need to know. SUI is down about 1.4% with the price currently sitting at $1.87. Also down about 1% in Bitcoin comparative with the market cap at $5.3 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about $800 million. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the Bitcoin dominance, guys, Bitcoin dominance is on the verge of breaking towards a new yearly high. What I did speak in my Dogecoin and as well as my, Turbo update, if you did end up watching that, what you're starting to see is, a lot of money is flowing into actually stable coins right now. Reason why? Because uncertainty. People want to know how this U.S. election is going to go about. And I do believe that, once this U.S. election is out of the way, we do see that, a retracement that a lot of people are anticipating. We're actually seeing that retracement right in front of us right now, which a lot of people tend to ignore. But, once that is all out of the way, I do believe that, stablecoin, that money is going to flow back into crypto markets. And I think, altcoin market could actually benefit out of that. But in terms of an altcoin season, like I said earlier in my other updates, it's way too early to be having a discussion around altcoin season. But if you're looking at Bitcoin, you guys can see Bitcoin has bounced a little bit, currently sitting at $68,000 going into the day of the election at $68,000. So let's see what happens. Of course, we do have significant amount of resistance, especially the one dating back to the previous all-time high. But you are looking at Bitcoin. In terms of Bitcoin, as far as the bigger picture is concerned, Bitcoin's looking really good. It's still in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but we're nowhere near, obviously price discovery mode due to that specific fact. But, let's see what happens. Let me know your personal predictions tomorrow. I'm literally staying up all day. Obviously, I do have things going on during the day, but of course, I think we find out about the election result at the end of the day. So tomorrow, I'm going to be completely glued to my TV and my laptop to see what happens, and then obviously I'll keep you guys updated. Maybe I'll try bringing you guys the first ever live streaming on my channel, which I've never done before in the last whatever years it has been since I've been doing content around crypto. But let me know if you want to see those types of updates. Maybe we can start doing some live streams, because I have seen a lot of requests regarding that. And anyhow, if you're looking at SUI, $1.89. It's holding quite well right now. It's still obviously remaining around this $1.90 range, especially around the support, which of course we have discussed in the past. It was obviously a previous all-time high. But like I said earlier to you guys, there's still significant amount of uncertainty still up in the air. So if Bitcoin does see a complete shakeout, and I still have this feeling, this gut feeling that $66,000 price point is the next realistic target that actually could end up happening very soon. It doesn't take the market 1 week or 1 month to do this. This is instant. So let's see what happens. Let's see how the day progresses. But I do want to know your guys' predictions now in the comments down below as to what you think is going to happen. What do you think is going to really happen Wednesday? Like on Wednesday, how is the market reacting? Are we going to be on a completely red side, or are we going to actually see the market rallying? That's what I want to know from you guys. But so far, I like how SUI is holding, to be quite frank with you, considering how high the dominance index really is right now. So far so good in terms of that. But like I said earlier in the previous update as well, there's still a chance that we do retest the $1.60 price point, or even potentially lower, depending on how the U.S. election goes. So let's take it one step at a time. But like I said, let me know your predictions down below in the comments. And of course, if you want to see more of these updates, do let me know. And if you want to see a live stream that I have never done before, let me know in the comments, and maybe I can start incorporating that on the channel. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.